Now move to the next tab to define parameters for the transverse rebars. In this tab, we can select to grade U-beam just in bottom, or also for top, and close stirrups are what I need. I will define hook length 160 mm and hook angle in 90 degree equal. Diameter 12 mm. In some cases, we can add inner stirrup with custom width, but in this case, it's unnecessary. Spacing 150 mm. Take to this option, we can define the replacement for stirrup, but here it's unnecessary. That's why let's move to the next tab for longitudinal rebars.